Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create long video to shorts video, and you can upload into your YouTube shorts video. Also you can upload as a reels video or TikTok video. I will show you step by step tutorial. First of all, I will find my YouTube channel video, and then we are going to use a tools. It's called 2shorts.ai. 2shorts.ai. Just visit this website. It's very simple website, and especially for convert long format to short video. So why you should use this kind of AI tools for creating a long format to a shorts video? Because if you don't have any video editing is like Camtasia, Filmora or Adobe, okay, most probably you have to hire someone else who can do for you. So you need money to spend. That's very simple. If you use this kind of AI tools, you don't have to depend on someone else, or you don't have to use lots of money to hiring someone. Okay, you can create your video already. If you have YouTube channel, I think you have already videos. Also you can do for someone else, like as a freelance marketer, like a long format to a short format. So if you search on Upwork or Fiverr, you will find different kind of jobs over there. So especially in this video I'm talking like if you are a YouTuber and if you want to repurpose your video, like two reasons. Number one is growing YouTube channel and save time, the most important. Okay, so if you are a beginner and if you want to grow your YouTube channel, the most challenging is video creating and publishing. That's mean you have to create your videos like long format, and then if you want to create the short format video, definitely you have to know video editing. But you don't need to video editing. You can use your basic skill to create this kind of videos. Like you can create a short format video from using your long format video. And the reason you have to upload short format video, because short format video is the most engaging right now. So the tricks is you have to upload frequently short format video, and then twice a week you can upload long format video. And then when you see the changes like the analytics, you will get lots of viewers from your short format video, and they're gonna love your long format video. And the save time. Okay, spend less time editing and more time creating as shapes through your content, highlighting the most captivating shots. Okay, so no more delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to visit my YouTube channel. The video was about how we can make money on Amazon from home. Okay, all right, so I'm going to copy the video URL and let's create our account. Like first of all, we have to create our account as a new creator or new account. Okay, all right, so welcome back. Please log in into your account. So if you don't have your account, sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, so I have already an account. I'm going to use this my Gmail account. Okay, all right, and finally once you landed into the 2shorts AI dashboard, it's pretty simple. One of the simplest dashboard, I think so, because I have been using lots of AI tools, and this is the, I think, the easiest. Okay, so ready to create shorts in seconds. Start by pasting your YouTube video link below. So we have to find our YouTube video link, and we have to just paste it here. Right click on the video and you will find copy video URL. Okay, so you will see lots of things like copy embedded code, copy debug info, copy video URL at current time. So we have just to copy the second one, copy video URL. Very simple. All right, and let's go back to our tools and just paste it here and click on generating shorts. So please wait, it may take up to a minute because doing some magic. Okay, so this AI extracting the best moments of your video, so you don't have to. So just wait and I will show you the final results. And finally here we go. Here are some shorts over there, 56 seconds long, 54, 58 seconds long. So here we go, 6 shorts over there. Okay, so let's create first one. So click on here and the title would be top fitness tracker unveiled, and 56 seconds. And also you can find the captions. Okay, so edit and export. So click on edit and export, and finally they are trimming our video. Okay, so let's see the final results. All right, so finally our video is ready. And if you want to change something, like if you want to add subtitle styles, so you can. So there are several styles over there. So right now we're using this one. Also you can change the subtitle transition. Okay, right now it's word bounce Also alt highlight, if you want to change the background, that's mean alt highlight background, you can also over there. Okay, so check it out. The left hand sidebar you will see the lots of things and you can change. Okay, so it's time to export our video. So our third step is we have to create video using AI. So let's copy the URL, that's mean the product URL, and go back to flexclip.com and click on AI video generator. Alright, and it will open a new tab and you will find it AI text to video generator. So you can also article. So this is the option. Okay, so click on that article to video. Also you can put article, but we're not going to put any article. I'm going to already the URL that I've already copied. So let's upload the video into our YouTube channel. Alright, so video is uploading. So I will check is there any copyright issue or not. Okay, so stay with us. I'm going to show you the final steps. So we'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then we'll have the opportunity to fix before publishing your video. So no issues found, copyright, perfect. Also you can check the bottom, checks complete, no issues found, and the next, and then you can publish your video. So I will publish it later, so make it unlisted and then click on save. So this is how you can create long format video to short video. So you can create others video as well as yours video. Okay, so if you find this video is helpful, please comment below. Also if you have any queries, please let us know. I will come back with another tutorial, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.